Hey everyone, welcome back to Lads Hub, where we break down complex science into bite-sized, easy-to-understand pieces. Today, we're diving into something that's literally at the core of who we are, our DNA. You've probably heard that DNA is the blueprint of life, but what does that actually mean? How much does it really impact your everyday life? Stick around, because today, we're unraveling how your DNA influences everything from your daily habits. Alright, before we get into how DNA affects you daily, let's start with the basics. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all living things. It's like a biological instruction manual made up of 4 chemical bases, A, T, C, and G. The order of these bases forms the code that tells your cells how to build everything in your body. So, why does this matter to you? Well, that code dictates a lot more about you than you might think. Let's explore how. First up, physical traits. Ever wonder why you have brown eyes while your best friend has blue? Or why some people can run marathons while others are more likely to excel at chess? A huge part of this comes down to your DNA. Everything from your hair color to your height is determined by the genes you inherited from your parents. This is called genetic inheritance. While environmental factors, like diet and exercise, play a role, your genes set the baseline for things like muscle composition, metabolism, and even how your brain processes information. But it's not just about your looks. DNA also influences how you perceive the world. For example, did you know some people have a gene variant that makes them more sensitive to bitter tastes? So, if you've always hated broccoli, blame your genes. Your DNA doesn't just affect how you look, it also plays a massive role in your health. Many diseases like diabetes, certain cancers, and heart conditions have a genetic component. Some of us carry gene mutations that make us more likely to develop certain health issues. For example, mutations in the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes can increase your risk of breast and ovarian cancer. That's why genetic testing can be so important. It can help identify risks and allow you to take preventive measures. But it's not all bad news. Your DNA also controls how your body responds to diet, exercise, and medications. Have you ever noticed how some people can eat pizza all day and never gain a pound, while others struggle to lose weight no matter how much they exercise? That's your metabolism at work, and yep, your genes have a lot to say about that. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Your DNA may even influence your behavior. While we're still learning how this works, research has shown that genes can affect traits like personality, risk-taking, and even how social or introverted you are. Ever wondered why some people are early birds and others are night owls? That's actually influenced by your genes. There's a clock gene, which helps regulate your circadian rhythm, the biological process that controls your sleep-wake cycle. So, how much does DNA have to do with your everyday life? The short answer: a lot. From how you look and behave to how your body functions and how you respond to the world around you, your DNA plays a starring role. But remember, while DNA sets the stage, you still have the power to influence how your life unfolds. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Lads Hub.